Hey there, folks, it's UFO Bob, and do I have a surprise for you? I have gone ski crazy. I'm in Wrightwood, California. Elevation, 8,000 feet. And I'm here to learn how to ski. But before I do, I have to gear up. It's been over 30 years since I last went skiing, and a lot has changed. To see what's new and get geared up, I went to McGrath Ski and Snowboard Shop, located on Highway 2 in Wrightwood, California. The minute I stepped in, I knew I was going to like this place.
Have you guys skied before?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm a beginner.
They're beginners, but
So are you gonna teach them how to ski?
yes, yeah.
Did you guys like it?
I enjoy.
Have you tried snowboarding yet?
Everyone was laid back and friendly. It was fun. What's going on here?
Just waxing the board.
And why do you wax the board?
Start going a little bit slower every time you go down the mountain, and then soon enough, once you get your board waxed, it's like a brand new board. Just glides down the mountain.
So wax on, wax off?
Wax on, wax off is exactly what we do.
Family owned and operated by Tom McGrath and his two sons, Alex and Christian, their shop has been serving skiers for decades. And they have everything you need before you hit the slopes, whether you're a skier or a snowboarder. Heck, they even have outerwear for rent.
It goes from 136s and then all the way down to 181s out here. So basically, the smaller the ski, easier it is to ski, and the larger one is harder to control the faster you go.
Which one is good for my
Your height?
Yeah, my height. 146, yes.
146 for you right there.
Do you get a lot of skiers that are seniors, people 50, 60, 70, maybe even in their 80s?
There's a handful. The mountain up here gives free tickets if you're over 70, so there's a big draw for that. As you know, when you get into your 70s and above, the energy is like, God, you're going up to 8,000 feet. You still think you're in your 40s or 50s, and you find out after about 2 runs, you're not. But the ones that stay in shape, we do see a handful. We do see a lot of 50s and 60-year-old people now. And a lot of them hike, surf, and they're very active and ride bikes now. So they're in very good shape.
Of course, safety is the first priority, and that starts with keeping all the gear in tip-top condition. Once you've been fitted for your boots, they're snapped onto your ski and the bindings are adjusted to release under certain conditions. This helps to prevent injury should you fall. Though relaxed and laid back, Tom and his sons are exceptionally professional. They personally make sure each customer is properly geared up for their skill level, whether they're a newbie like me or a pro who shreds the mountain on a snowboard. I'm here because I'm planning to attend the STARS program at Mountain High Ski Resort. They teach seniors 50 and above how to ski and snowboard.
He's a 4.5, Alex.
Other than that, you're all good. So you go ahead and grab it from right here from you. Right there. There's the poles.
In addition to skis and snowboards, you can rent ski pants and a jacket to keep you warm and dry. That's something I need. Well, I'm all suited up. I've got my jacket, I've got my pants, I got my boots, I got my skis and my poles, and I've got my goggles. I'm ready to hit the slopes. Beam me up! After the early morning rush is over, there's time to relax and have fun, but not for long.
Incoming, Alex.
Before you know it, the day is over and it's time to return your gear. Fortunately, it's a quick and easy process. I had a great time and plan to rent from McGrath Ski Shop again. Well, that's it. Until next time, this is UFO Bob, out.
Thank you guys.